never went to school. Your daddy never went to school. Your brothers never went to school. Your sisters never did. And something nudges you in your spirit that you can make a difference. And they say, what makes you think you are different? Tell them, it's time to step out. Nobody in my family was ever a pastor. They were Muslims. From many generations from before me. If there was anything my family was known for, it was chain drinking, chain smoking, and chain womanizing. But somebody said, step out. Step out. Now, I didn't think I couldn't do it just because my father couldn't. I didn't think I couldn't do it just because my mother couldn't. I stepped out. Now, I've been excommunicated. I haven't spoken to my father's family for about 15 years. Now, I haven't even received a phone call from them. And I'm sorry I don't call them too. Amen? 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 Listen, I don't call people who will discourage me. Yes. No, some of you are fond of calling your discouragers.
Amen.
You know my philosophy in life? I love everybody with the love of the Lord. But if you don't like me, I don't like you too. Can I preach? No, you like hanging out with people who tell you can't, you shouldn't, you wouldn't, you couldn't, you are. No. Somebody needs to choose those you hang out with. You need to find friends that will say you can, friends that will lift you up, friends that will say it is possible. Not those who will bring you down, not those who are jealous of you, not those who are envious of you, not those who want what you have, not those who couldn't do it and don't want you to do it. Somebody shout, step out! Now when you step out, one thing is automatic. The wind will become boisterous. See, when you step out, you're going to pick up enemies. Now, I've never been the type to shy away from enemies. Half of the place I go to, I have more enemies than friends. But because people like to make friends with who they can control. But I'm not easy to control. If I were to be a dog, I would be put down. Now, if you let them define you, they will confine you. Is somebody here with me? Don't let them define you. Just simply let them refine you. Let everything they say make you better. Let it bring the beauty out of you. Let it make you work harder. Let it make you work stronger. Let it make you more diligent. Let their criticism bring out the perfection in you. It's not going to pull you down. It's only going to raise you up. If they say you can't make it, show them you can make it. Somebody say, step out. The Bible says Peter stepped out of the boat and the wind became boisterous. And when he saw the wind boisterous, he started to sink. And Jesus Christ saw him sinking. Then Peter shouted and said, Jesus, Master, save me. Then Jesus stretched his hand and pulled him out and said unto him, O ye of little faith. Now, can I preach something strange this morning? Why is it that people will not applaud you for having the faith to step out and condemn you for sinking? celebrate your stepping out. You stepped out, you walk.